share the same roots. Now researchers at the city's unis want our views on public spaces and travelling around. Those behind Bristol Uni's ShareBristol study are inviting us to get in touch on social media with our comments.
The three of us have been working towards the idea of introducing interventions to shared spaces in general, whether in Bristol or elsewhere, and seeing whether some types of interventions which could be easy to add will make it more pleasant for the people sharing that space, whether it's pedestrians, cyclists, or it could be people in wheelchairs, people pushing prams, etc. And as a first step to achieve that, we wanted to know which shared spaces would we kind of want to work on as a starting subset. So as a starting point for this project, we got some fund priming from the university, pump priming, to do this social media campaign to gather people's opinions about shared spaces in and around the centre of Bristol. So we have just started a social media campaign called ShareBristol. You can use it using the hashtag ShareBristol, one word. There is a Twitter account at ShareBristol. And on this Facebook and Twitter accounts, you can go and give us your opinion, whether it's by tweeting a location. You can write down, I don't like or I do like this place and this works well, because it's also helpful to know what works well as an example. Or go to a map. So we've created a Google map where you can just drop a pin on the map and write what you feel about the space. First, we're going to make our conclusions available to the public, as well to the Bristol City Council, who are keen on us telling them the feedback of the people. So that is step one. So this will be public knowledge, which other researchers as well as governmental resources will be able to use it. From our end, we will then take a subset and start our research, which is aimed at introducing some visual interventions. Interestingly, many people have already noted some things, saying maybe if you add a sign here, it will be easier, or maybe if you clearly put something on the floor, it will be easier. So people are already aware that some interventions could be only visual clarifications of how this space could be shared.